Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with the Todak airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com and click on Todak airdrop. So Todak airdrop is 46 TDN token worth of $15 to the airdrop participants. To participate, visit the airdrop form, complete the simple social media task and submit your details to the airdrop form to receive 46 TDN tokens worth of $15. Invite your friends and earn 6 TDN tokens for each valid referral worth of $2. So there are 7 simple steps guys to complete the registration procedure for this airdrop, and let's study a little more about the Todak project. Todak is a technology company creating a new digitally driven economic ecosystem that provides digital things with the value preserving transferability of physical things and physical things with the liquidity of digital things to form a fluid with a complete digital ecosystem. Anything can be put on the Todak protocol: identity, goods, services, money, etc. From governments and banks to businesses and individuals, everyone can have real ownership and control of their digital assets. Todak was born from a vision to enable a new way of doing things. TDN token is already being traded at Bitforex exchange. So if you want to know more about the program of Bitforex, you can go to the exchange, click here to go. So yeah, let's start with step number 1. Join Todak on Telegram group and Telegram channel to receive 12 TDN tokens. Click here to join the group guys. Click on open in web. Now click join button here, but then I have already joined, so I'm not able to show it to you. And then join the Telegram channel of Todak. Now click on open in web. Again click join button here. Since I have already joined, I'm not able to see the Todak button. Alright. Step number 2, follow Todak on Twitter and make a retweet with the tag of 3 friends to receive 12 TDN tokens. So click here to go to the Twitter of Todak. Click here to follow guys. I'm already following, and then make a retweet with the tag of 3 friends to receive 12 TDN tokens. So guys, I have already done a tweet, so let me go to my profile and show it to you. Just 13 minutes back I have done a retweet about the Todak, and I have tagged my 3 friends here. Alright, I have done a retweet with a comment. So as I always say, to be more productive, please give a retweet along with the comments guys. Step number 3, follow Todak on Facebook and repost the pinned tweet. This step also I have done. So click here to go to the Facebook of Todak Global. Click on like button here. So click on like button here. You can see I'm already following the Todak Facebook. So guys, this is the pinned post, so click here to like and share it in public. So as I always say guys, this has to be shared only in the public. I already have shared, and this has been shared to my timeline. Step number 4, follow Todak on YouTube. Click here to follow Todak on the YouTube channel. Click subscribe button here. You can see I have already subscribed. Step number 5, submit your Ethereum wallet address and other details to the airdrop form. So guys, if you want to know how to create an Ethereum wallet, just click this link here. Alright, this takes you to a blog where it's clearly mentioned how to explain how to create an Ethereum wallet. Alright, I hope you know all better, and submit your details in the airdrop form. Click here to go to the airdrop form to submit all your details. Alright, so yes, please give your email address. My email address is this. Now click on next button. Give your Telegram username, Telegram channel username. So my Telegram username is this, and then follow the Twitter and make a retweet. Yes, this step we have done already, and I have tagged the 3 friends also, and my Twitter username is they say it drops 99. All right, so yeah, this step also I have done. The follow of the Facebook page and the repost of the pinned post. So my Facebook link is here, guys. Simply copy and paste and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes, I have already subscribed to the YouTube channel, and my YouTube full name is this, guys. Alright, this is my YouTube full name. And give your Ethereum wallet address. My Ether wallet address is this. Alright. So how many tasks have we completed? Yes, I have completed almost all the tasks. Now click on this. As I always say, guys, please have a look on the airdrop form, the details which you have given, either the right information or the not. Yes, I have given the proper information. Now click on submit button. Yay, my response has been recorded successfully. Alright, now step number 6, you will receive 36 TDN tokens plus 10 TDN tokens. So for the task, I'll be receiving 36 TDN tokens and then 10 bonus TDS tokens for the as a bonus. Alright, so step number 7, invite your friends to earn TDN tokens worth of $2 for each wallet referral. You can invite a maximum of 750 referrals. Well, that's all, guys, about the registration procedure for Todak airdrop. If you like the Todak airdrop, don't forget to upload and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.